I got interested in the diagnostics industry as a result of a background in electronics and answering a want ad. I like to fix things, I like to work with my hands, make things better, and I saw one ad for working on electromechanical devices in the medical industry. I called the guy, got the job, and it's been a great ride ever since. My wife and I both work here at Sysmex. We've been married for 14 years. The major product that we deal with here at Sysmex is hematology analyzers, which are used in virtually every medical facility to enable doctors to diagnose, provide a course of treatment, and get back to the patients and enable the patients then to receive the benefit of that diagnosis and the medical treatment. This job that I do has a great many rewards, but knowing that the instrumentation that we produce is of the highest quality, is some of the fastest turnaround times out there, enables it to really meet the needs of the physicians and the healthcare providers that we service.
I am a clinical laboratory scientist, and I have worked in the field of medical technology for over 30 years. And I became interested in the field of medical technology because I wanted to work in healthcare and help patients. My husband and I, both working within medical diagnostics, we can really relate to each other about the value of what we are doing with our careers. We both understand that what we are doing contributes to the treatment of patients. For Sysmex in particular, our clinical hematology products help in the diagnosis and treatment of hematological diseases. And so, for example, when I worked as a medical technologist in the laboratory years ago, when a child was diagnosed with leukemia, childhood leukemia years ago was almost a certain death sentence. If you move to the future now, that same child would survive. And that is what makes being part of medical technology so rewarding. I became involved with leukemia and lymphoma in 2010. My dad had just passed away, and I was feeling really lost. And Sysmex at that time was looking for an opportunity to support local communities. The choice of leukemia and lymphoma was a really good group to work with because Sysmex supports technology for diagnosis of diseases of the blood. And so what I benefited from working with leukemia and lymphoma during that campaign was really working with an organization that was doing great things for diagnosis and treatment and cure.
I suffered a major heart attack a number of years ago, and because of the advances in medical technology and stents and cardiac care, I'm still here today, which is a good thing.
Today, he really has had minimal effect from having that heart attack, and the replacement, that stent, really has helped improve the quality of his life. Life-changing.
I have experienced those life-changing events that were the result of technology, the result of research and development. And I think that working here in an environment like this, where we have constantly changing technology, constantly evolving capabilities on the instruments, it's very satisfying to know that the products that we put out are playing a key role in the diagnosis and then the ultimate delivery of health care to people in a way that will definitely improve their lives.